The unemployment rate in 2023 stood at 6.3%, below the non-accelerating inflation rate of unemployment, estimated by experts at 6.8% based on data between 1983 to 2023. With a stable inflation outlook and the average economic growth rate around its long-term trend, it can be safely said that the economy is currently at full employment. The gross public sector debt is estimated at 74.5% as of June 2024 and is expected to follow a declining trend to 64.1% until June 2027. However, rather than these figures, we should be more interested in the public sector debt mix as well as the maturity profile of our debt coupled with the debt service ratio. 78% of our public sector debt is from domestic sources, that is, in Mauritian rupees.
Pour plus de vidéos, cliquez sur like, abonnez-vous en cliquant sur subscribe et activez la cloche de notification pour rester informé.